Assalamu alaikum students. This is a session of grade 2 mathematics subject. So students, first of all, how are you all? I hope you all must fine by the grace of Allah. So student, now take out your maths copies, all of you. Okay. First of all, student, write down date here, 23rd 9/20. Okay, 23 9/20 at the top of the page. Write on the heading of fraction. Okay, with blue color pencil write down classwork C.W. This is your classwork C.W. Okay, so student, the question is that you have to write down this question. Write the fraction for each shaded figure. Write the fraction for each shaded figure. Okay student, so first of all, this is your first question and this is a triangle. Okay, so student, in this question, what you can do. Okay, what, so in this question you have to do that. This is the shape of triangle and you have to do that, and this is a fraction. Okay, this is a fraction 1/2. The fraction is denoted by like this: 1/2, 2/4, 5/2, and so on. Okay, so this is a fraction. Okay, so write the fraction for each shaded figure. So this is your, okay, this is a shaded part of triangle. Okay, only one sided part of triangle is shaded. Okay, and another one is not shaded. Okay, so how many parts are divided? The triangle is divided into 1 2 parts, so it is 2. Okay, and how many parts the triangle is shaded? Only one part, so you have to write 1. So this is a 1/2. This is a fraction for this triangle. Okay, 1/2. So this is your answer. Now second question is, you have to make this square. Okay, and you have to divide this square into 4 parts. Okay, and you have to shade this square into only 2 parts. Okay, you have to shade this square only 2 parts. So what is the fraction for this shape? What is the fraction? Yes, so student, tell me how many parts divided, how many parts? 1 2 3 4, 4. And how many parts the shaded region for square? 1 2, 2/4. This is the answer. Okay, now this is a kite. Okay, kite like shape. Okay, and only one part is shaded. Okay, only one part is shaded. So the kite is divided into how many parts? 1 2 3 4, 4. 4 is the total you have to write. Okay, and only one part is shaded, so 1. So it is a fraction 1/4. Okay, you have to write the work in your copy. Okay, now fourth one is, you have to draw this heart. Okay, and you have to shade only one part. Okay, you have to shade only one part. So students, okay, so students, how many parts of divided heart? 1 2. 2 is the total you have to write here, and 1, only one part is shaded, so 1/2. It is the answer. Now fifth one is, you have to draw this square. Okay, and how many parts the square is divided? 1 2 3 4, 4. Okay, and the how many parts the square is shaded? 1 and 2. Okay, 1 and 2. So this is the total is 4, and only 2 parts is shaded, so it is a fraction for 2/4. Now I have to draw this rectangle. Okay, and you have to divide the rectangle into 4 parts. Okay, now okay, how many parts are rectangle divided? 1 2 3 4, 4. So write down 4, and only one part is shaded, so 1/4. Okay, Now you have another shape. Okay, only one part is shaded. Okay, and this is divided into how many parts? 1 2 3. 3 is the total, and only one part is shaded, so 1/3 is a fraction for this shape. Okay, now color the next. From the next page, open your next page, write down date here, 23rd 9 20, color in the fraction shown in each shape. Okay, so you have to color the, you have given these fractions. Okay, you have to just color the fraction, color the shape. Okay, so 1/2, the total is the circle is divided into two parts, and only one part is shaded, so you have to shade one part. Okay, you have used different colors. Okay, whatever you have, you have used your favorite colors. Okay, okay, so only one part is shaded, so you have to shade one part. 2/4, yes, the total kite is divided into four, kite like shape is divided into four parts, 1 2 3 4, and you have to shade only two parts. So you have to color the shape into two parts. Okay, now third one is triangle. You have only one part is shaded, so you have to shade only one part. Okay, the triangle is divided into two parts, 1 2, but the shaded side is only one. Now you have to draw this rectangle like shape. Okay, and 2/4, so how many parts you have shaded? Two. One sided. Okay, you have to draw, you have to color one sided and another side. You have used different colors, whatever you have. Okay, because I don't have, so I use only this pencil. Now you have to draw the circle. Okay, and the circle is divided into 1 2 3 4 4 parts, but you have to shade this region, you have to shade the circle one sided. Okay, one side. So you have to color this region, color the only one side. So student, you have to complete this work. Okay, inshallah we'll match you soon. Take care till then. Allah Hafiz all of you.